Heavy rain, hail, possible damaging winds, but the tornado should stay for the time being south of South 89th Street. And here's our new first video images from our forewarned storm units. We need to get Carano and David on the phone ASAP as this continues to track in. That's from David Payne just coming back, and that is from northeast of Amber and southwest of Newcastle.
Mike, again on the storm tracker system, this is the area we've been talking about. Tornado warnings continue in effect for those that live in the Caddo County area. This is the area that we're talking about. This is the storm that is working its way out of the southwestern part of the Caddo County area and working its way to the east and to the northeast and across parts of the area around the Newcastle area. This is the storm that McLean and Cleveland County are under. This is the area that we've been talking about.
Tornado emergency in South Oklahoma City metro area. At 6:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a large tornado was moving along Interstate 44 west of Newcastle. On its present path, this large damaging tornado will enter southwest sections of the Oklahoma City metro area between 7:15 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. Persons in North and South Oklahoma City should take immediate tornado precautions. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening